Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are discussing about the important topic Indian geography. This is the part 3rd video, and you can also check it out part 1 and part 2 in my YouTube channel. Then let's begin. Question number 1. Which among the following river is known as Yarling Tsangpo in Tibet? Option A Indus, option B Yamuna, option C Ganges, option D Brahmaputra. Right answer option D Brahmaputra. Also some information about Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra originates from Chemayungdung Glacier, Tibet. It is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh. Okay. Question number 2. Pagladia Dam project is located in which state? Option A Arunachal Pradesh, option B Sikkim, option C Assam, option D West Bengal. Right answer option C Assam. This Pagladia Dam project is on the river Pagladia river. Also some important dams in Assam: Kandan Dam in Kopili river, Subansiri Dam in Subansiri river. Let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Gir Kesar is a famous variety of which among the following? Option A mango, option B saffron, option C pineapple, option D pepper. Right answer option A mango. Also some information about this question, that is Gir Kesar, the variety of mango is mainly in state of Gujarat. It got GI tag in 2011. GI tag means geographical indication tag. Okay. And the next question, question number 4. The Gandhisagar Dam located in which state as built on the river Chambal? Option A Madhya Pradesh, option B Uttarakhand, option C West Bengal, option D Karnataka. Right answer option A Madhya Pradesh. Let's check other informations. The important dams in Madhya Pradesh in Chambal river, that is Gandhisagar Dam, Jawahar Sagar Dam, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. This Chambal river flows through 3 states: Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. I think it's clear to you. Please keep these informations in memory. Go to the next question. Question number 5. Which among the following state has reported production of gold in India? Option A Jharkhand, option B Maharashtra, option C Odisha, option D Uttarakhand. Right answer option A Jharkhand. Let's also check the Indian states which has most gold production. That is in first position Bihar 44%, second Rajasthan 25%, Karnataka 21%, West Bengal 3%, Andhra Pradesh 3%, Jharkhand has 2%, and other state has also provide 2%. Just know the first state and also know about the other states has gold production. Okay. Question number 6. Export Promotion Council for Handicrafts EPCH is located at option A Jaipur, option B Delhi, option C Kolkata, option D Varanasi. Right answer option B Delhi. Question number 7. An inland water transit and trade protocol exists between India and which among the following neighbor country? Option A Sri Lanka, option B Bangladesh, option C Pakistan, option D Myanmar. We can get into the answer through elimination method. Here it denoted that it's an inland water, so we can eliminate the option A Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a island country in Indian Ocean. And we can also eliminate Pakistan. So there is inland waterways is not much affordable in the Indus River, and remaining is Bangladesh and Myanmar. Myanmar is not much an industrial or a state partnership with India in economic perspective, so we can eliminate also the Myanmar, and the right answer is Bangladesh. Is it clear to you? Okay, let's go to the next question. So there is 1 minute. There is also Bangladesh. The main rivers also flows through India and Bangladesh is Ganges and Brahmaputra. Just keep these two rivers in mind. Okay, let's go to the 8th question. Question number 8. National Research Center of Banana is located in which place? Option A Nagpur, option B Kolhapur, option C Trichy, option D Muzaffarpur. The right answer option C Trichy. Question number 9. In which of the following states of India there is no petroleum chemicals and petrochemicals investment region? Option A Assam, option B Gujarat, option C Maharashtra, option D West Bengal. The right answer option A Assam. Question number 10. Tuggeril hydroelectric project is located in which state? Option A Manipur, option B Mizoram, option C Assam, option D Arunachal Pradesh. The right answer option B Mizoram. Okay, today we completed the discussion on 10th questions MCQ on Indian geography. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and share it to your friends. Subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon. Thank you.